Hello world, my name is David Malan, and this is an introduction to computer science designed especially for employees and employers who'd like to be conversant in today's and tomorrow's information technology. Ultimately, this course empowers you to ask better questions and make better decisions even if you're not in IT yourself. We'll begin with zeros and ones, the underlying language that today's laptops, desktops, servers, and phones speak. We'll then explore algorithms, step-by-step instructions for solving some problem. We'll introduce data structures, clever ways for storing information in memory to make those algorithms better and faster. We'll write code in a language called Python. Even if you've never programmed before and don't plan to after, you'll acquire a better sense of what programmers do. We'll look at what artificial intelligence, or AI, actually is and what it can do. We'll explore how the internet itself works and what the World Wide Web is, and we'll look at HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, languages with which websites and mobile apps alike can be built. We'll talk about storing big data in databases. We'll read and write some of that data with a language called SQL, and we'll discuss cybersecurity threats and defenses for you professionally and personally. All this and more, this is Computer Science for Business.